You're head over heels for someone, and it feels like you're floating on cloud 9. But then, out of nowhere, you're also contemplating tearing your hair out in frustration. Sound familiar? If you've ever been swept up in the roller coaster of emotions that is having a crush, you're not alone. Whether you've binged on a Kimini Todoke, a Kaguya-sama, Love is War, or any other swoon-worthy anime, you know exactly what we're talking about. Those moments when you're watching, yelling at the screen, "Just kiss already." Well, my fellow crush havers, this video is for you. We're diving deep into the signs that your crush might just be as smitten as you are. So, buckle up and let's decode this love puzzle together. First up, let's talk initiation. You know that age-old dilemma, should I message first? Will I seem too eager? Well, here's the scoop. If your crush is the one sliding into your DMs or shooting you a text without a second thought, that's a big green light. When they're dishing out life updates, sharing juicy gossip, or just shooting the breeze with you, it's a clear sign that they value your opinion and trust you enough to be their authentic self. Even the shyest of introverts will make the first move when they're really into someone, so don't leave them hanging. Now, let's ditch the formality. In some cultures, honorifics are a big deal. But if your crush starts dropping the formalities, throwing around nicknames, and maybe even the occasional swear word in your conversations, you're in luck. That's a sign they're feeling super comfortable around you and aren't worried about putting on airs. It's like they've let you into their inner circle, and trust me, that's a good place to be. Next up, let's get touchy-feely. Physical touch is like a magical language all its own. From a comforting hand on your shoulder to a warm hug, it speaks volumes without saying a word. If your crush isn't afraid to get tactile, whether it's leaning into you, giving you a playful shove, or even just brushing against you accidentally on purpose, they're welcoming intimacy into your dynamic. And hey, science even backs this up. Studies have shown that physical touch can reduce stress and foster emotional connection. So, if your crush is all about the hugs, consider yourself lucky. Now, let's tackle conflict. Sure, arguments aren't exactly romantic, but they're a normal part of any relationship. If your crush isn't afraid to engage in healthy debates and hash out disagreements with you, that's a sign they're comfortable enough to be real with you. Healthy conflict can actually strengthen your bond by fostering understanding and communication. Just remember, it's all about constructive dialogue, not hurling insults or playing mind games. Last but certainly not least, let's talk vulnerability. Opening up about our fears, insecurities, and quirks isn't easy for anyone. So, when your crush shares their deepest thoughts and feelings with you, it's a sign of genuine trust and affection. It shows that they see you as more than just a casual acquaintance, they see you as someone special. Now, here's the kicker. Just because your crush checks off some or all of these boxes, it doesn't necessarily mean they're head over heels for you too. If you're still not sure where you stand, check out our other video on deciphering flirting versus just being nice. Thanks for tuning in, folks. Remember, whether your crush likes you back or not, you're awesome just the way you are, and you deserve all the love in the world. Stay fabulous, and we'll catch you next time.